Hello everyone, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Valentine's Day cake slime. Before we get onto the video, make sure to subscribe because we are so close to 500 subscribers. Starting off, I'm going to be dyeing this small white slime a light pink color because it's going to be a part of our cake layer. I recently bought plastic snow, which I've been wanting to use for a very long time, so I'm going to be adding it to this small white piece of slime, which will be our second cake layer. I'm going to place our white snow slime at the bottom of the container and then layer on the pink slime on top. I have some red model magic which I'm going to be shaping into a heart because of course this slime is Valentine's themed. I love how cute the heart turned out, and now I'm going to place it on top of our slime. And just like always, I'm going to be placing some iridescent glitter on top of our slime. I have these adorable Valentine add-ins that I'm also going to be placing on top of our slime. Last but not least, I have the cutest cake charms that I'm going to be putting on top of our slime. And here's our finished Valentine's Day cake slime. I love this so much. I think it turned out so amazing. The pink and white layers look adorable, and the glitters and add-ins, especially the red heart, definitely tie it together.